this one. So let there be a two meter per second, 3 kg. Three meter. Two meter. Meter, and this is 1 kg. Say some particles are moving along X, along Y. I think in all quadrants it is there. No. You have to find out the angular momentum of system of particles. So I'll give the number for them. Let this be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So these are the 8 system of particles are there. You have to calculate angular momentum about origin. So find the angular momentum of system of particles about origin. First of all, individual particles will calculate. What about L1? Mass is how much? 3 kg. Speed is how much? 2 meter. And what is the perpendicular distance? 3, no? So there should be 3 into 2 into 3. What is the sense? Clockwise or anti-clockwise? Will be clockwise. Then for particle 2, mass of the particle is 1, speed is 4, perpendicular distance is 2 meter. This is the perpendicular distance. What about the sense? Sense will be anti-clockwise. So there's a very much basic everyone must learn. It's very important. And now particle 3. Look at the angle between R bar and V bar. R bar cross M3 V3 bar. If you want to take M outside, totally outside. M3 R3 bar cross V3 bar. We know, we are very sure that they're parallel, no? Look at the position vector. It makes an angle 45 degree with vertical. Similarly, the velocity vector also makes angle 45 degrees. So what is the angle between R bar and V bar? It is 0. So the expansion of this will become R3 V3 sine 0 degrees will be 0. So in numericals, you should be careful here. So let's come after this. Particle 4. Mass of the particle 4 is 3 kg. Velocity is 4. Whatever the perpendicular distance will be 4 meter. What is the sense? Will be anti-clockwise. So now how you can see clockwise or anti-clockwise? How do I say? So look at this. This R bar. This is a V bar. No, R cross V. So put your small finger at 4 meter along negative axis. Put small finger. Then close that fingers. Curl it. Curl. Rotate that fingers towards negative axis. Open up the thumb. Thumb will be along Z axis. Please do it. Don't make observation. I'm telling this one. If you were in class, no, usually for this chapter, I'll come with a stick. In a class, I'll come with a stick. And I've seen even in class, students are happily, they'll sit like this. They sit like this, or somebody like this. And somebody like this. And somebody what happened, reading books, some they're doing. But what happened, your right hand should come into picture here. So in class, what happened, if you are in class, no, I think by this time, I would have beaten 60% of students. Exactly at your fingers. It's very important. See, like you want to become engineer, you should put effort here. It's not a history class, no, where you'll just only see Taj Mahal. Okay, how many minars are there? 4 minars are there? How many dome are there? One dome is there. What is the color? White color? No, it's not Taj Mahal here. You are going to make a Taj Mahal. You are not going to see just Taj Mahal. You are going to build a Taj Mahal. Things of like that. So your right hand should come. Pain should be there. I'm telling this one. Rotation mechanics got over means pain got over. A pain you should apply Zendubomb or Iodex, move something at this particular thing. These fingers, because every problem you are going to apply it. Torque, everything. If pain is not there, you'll not become engineer. Take it for granted. So put 4 meter like this. You should curl it. Thumb will be out of the plane. Where the pen gone? How to curl fingers? How to curl fingers is something. How to get the direction? So this is R bar. This is R bar. This is V bar. So curl fingers. It's all no. From R bar towards V bar. Put the small finger should be along 4 meter along negative x-axis. Do it. You don't do any exercise, huh? Like this you don't do. Finish over. You don't hold any arm like this pipe, something you hold it, no, finish over. That's what here big. Got this? So what is the direction of this one? So it should be like this one. So this should be. Next again. What about L5? L5 again, the angle between R bar and V bar. M4, R4 cross V4. What is in fact angle? Angle is R4 parallel to V4. So therefore M4, R4, V4 sine 0 degrees will be 0. After this, we'll be left over with 6 and 6, 7 and 8. L6 bar. For time being, let me write L6. So L6 should be equal to 2 kg MVR meter 1 and this is 2. So this will be anti-clockwise. So you just assume that the particle is here, no? It is moving like this. So this is 2 meter. So this is R bar, this is a V bar. R cross V will come like this. How you measure angle? Anti-clockwise. So you do one thing, just simple. This is a R bar, this is a V bar. R cross V. So how you are going to measure angle? See, at least you know angle, you'll measure clockwise, anti-clockwise. Geometry, protractor, geometry box. So there's a very pathetic nowadays. Students who don't know how to measure angle, not seen protractor. How it is possible? Some minimum basic mathematics science is needed. So this is R bar. So how you measure angle from R bar, V bar, anti-clockwise, anti-clockwise. So how the thumb, when you measure angle, it will be like this. No, curl fingers, rotate your fingers. Then the thumb will be out of the plane. So therefore, it should be out of the plane. This is the sense of rotation. And then this will be L7, 3 kg. Geometry, high school geometry, very, 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 very important. That is what the base of entire engineering. And nowadays, high school geometry, how you are saying, teacher will draw a diagram and that you copy and commit. How many problems on your own you do geometry, different shape, 3D dimensions, 3D objects, you should construct, you should view that, how do this object will appear. If you just hold a box, if you see from different views, take hemisphere. If you view from top, it will be circular disc. If you view from side, it will be hemisphere. Like if you change orientation, how do that object will appear, cone. If you view from far away, it will appear like a triangle. Like that, no, you should make observation of 3D objects. You are not Big Boss started, okay, everyone will sit nearby Big Boss. Why I'm telling you this one, the science is not there in our society. That's what. And you want to become a highly, you want to enter into scientific world, but there's no science behind you, you're not observing. I think yesterday afternoon my wife told a very good movie is there, Happy Days. I thought, okay, Happy Days, something related to engineering students. Then I thought, okay, let's see where is engineering there in that particular movie. Finally, what happened? Everyone will get in romance, and finally, what happened? Everyone will end up with a good relationship. That is not goal of to be engineer. No, you go to engineering college to acquire engineering skills, not to search for partner. It's not a marriage bureau. Your engineering college or IITs, NITs are not marriage bureaus where they will give good partner for your life. Please do understand this is something very important at this stage, because South India or in India, what happened, the movie craze is more, and kids will get inspired by movies. And Happy Days movie, I came to know. I don't watch movies. I'm not against also. I do watch good movies, not something general movies, you know. So my wife told there's a super hit movie. I told super hit, and that too related to college students, engineering students. I thought, okay, something. Let's see, maybe any useful for us. It was like a marriage bureau. The college they made it as marriage bureau. I think something I felt, okay, good. Okay, you are showing some other aspect of life, but uh, at the age of 20 or at the age of 18, I think by the time you complete engineering, how much you'll get? 21 years, no? At the age of 21, I don't think so. We will be interested in searching the life partner. The life partner searching should come only when you settle financially, no? When you get a good job, when you start earning, then you should think about life partner, no? Not at this age. This age is to learn. This age is to put effort. This age is to make outside, to observe outside world, to get the scientific knowledge. Don't get carried away by the movie world. It's a highly superficial world which you are dreaming it here. Say one or the other day you'll get married. One or the other day you'll get a good life partner. Don't bother that. I didn't get married. I got married. So my personal life, I tell that one. We never thought something like a this one. Only once what happened. We should get a good knowledge first. We should become good engineer. This should be the goals at this age. Huh? The movies what happen are will give wrong impression for you. And see, getting married, getting life partner is will be part of everyone's life. Even if you're not interested, you're going to get married. So for that, you need not to put any effort. So effort you have to put for such acquiring scientific knowledge. Hmm? So come out of that fantasy world of movies. Hmm? Okay, once you get a good job, everything, no, just say like whenever you feel bored, you have to watch movies, but you can't sit hours together watching movie. 3 4 hours per day, not possible. Even in a week, watching one movie means you are wasting 3 hours. Means like you mean to say that we should not have any sentiments in life. I'm not saying. I do like my wife. I do love her. I spend time with her. I spend time with my kids. It's not like that something only you should always think you should do physics problem. But your age is of that kind of, you should play and you should study. And you interact, go to attend some function. But The imagination should not be there anything about that particular thing. Imagination should be everything about the science. Each and everything. You go to the bathroom, you're passing toilet, then I think some 10-15 minutes will spend. Why don't you read some question and go to the bathroom for natural calls? Sit, think, when you're doing brushing, when you're taking bath, when you're eating. That should be the motto. Huh? And then where is the time you'll get to imagine and dream something? Please to do change attitude. There's nothing to do big anything. Huh? I'm not against any of these things. I do watch movies like a weekly once, that too in the television, because I hardly went for any movie theater. So earlier I used to watch movie theater, okay, monthly once, any good some science related, something good movie or something which is related to good message, social message is certain. Okay, fine, nice, what that, but not something. Watching movie should be like a profession or it is a part of life. It's just a recreation. Instead you play cricket, no, better play cricket or take ball. Nowadays are not permitted. Take one ball, tennis ball, with wall. What when you strike it, you'll get good physical exercise. Okay, no, let's come back to this one. 3 kg, 3 meter. This is a one. So this should be the clockwise. What about L8? L8 shall I write 0 directly because it will intersect axis of rotation. All those which are anti-clockwise, plus k cap, which are clockwise, minus k cap. Then take the resultant of vector sum of that, you'll get the required answer. L bar equal to L1 bar plus L2 bar. Substitute all. So the clockwise should be taken as minus k cap. Anti-clockwise, where all anti-clockwise there, put plus k cap. Now let me go for. So this is about the particles. So let's see some applications. And this is about only the basic theory definition.